Hello everyone, here is the team Magnificent. Let me introduce my teammate and myself to you. He is Vinay and I am Juhi from GMR Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh. We are here to demonstrate our project which helps people in emergency, thereby saving many lives. Our project title is Drop of Blood, Hope for Life.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to introduce myself Vinay Sriram from Information Technology Department from GMR Institute of Technology, Raja.
Before project demonstration, let me tell you the roles that we played in the project. I worked as a system planner and UI designer and Vinay as a solution architect and developer. We have developed this project under the guidance of Mrs. Tania, Assistant Professor at GMR Institute of Technology. Now let me tell you the notion of our project. See, blood donation is nothing less than gifting life. A single donation can save 3 lives. Along with saving lives, there are a number of reasons why donating blood is important. Many clubs, colleges, etc. organize blood donation camps, but still, our blood banks are running short of required blood. So, shocking, right? But have to believe. Every day, 12,000 people in India die due to sheer lack of blood. Here is the analysis of blood donation by states. Imagine if we compare nations. So, we brought an application to fix this problem. This app serves the needs of recipients with blood in emergency and thereby saving many lives. Thus, this application can prove to be very useful for satisfying blood need in the hospital. We built this application for GMR Varalakshmi Foundation because whenever there is requirement for blood, they used to come to each of our classes and ask if anyone is willing to donate blood. So to avoid this problem, we have built this app. And here is the use case model of our system. Firstly, the user registers in the app and then logins. If he wants a donor, he'll search according to the blood group needed. And if the donor has no difference and everything is fine, he'll donate the blood. He'll accept the invitation from the recipient and donate the blood. And I'll explain you the features later on. Other features later on.
Yeah, these are my teammate has thrown some light on the main theme of developing our project. These are all the some places where our requirements has been hands-on, like hospitals, blood banks, and not only that, non-government organization, usually known as NGOs, and authorized medical event handlers, and helps rural and urban people in case of emergency. Here is a point to note: we are from a remote area where we can saw some deaths due to lack of scarcity of blood. So with our project, we're going to minimize that. Yeah, these are all the benefits. How a customer can be benefited. So firstly, deaths caused due to shortage of blood can be minimized by this model. No need to search for the donors. Can get the information directly through the point and click. So this point covers there will not be any back search for the donations. They can easily get to know from the app itself. So third one, the customers can easily know whether they are supposed to donate blood or not. So because we have included one point like a difference. Yeah, the last one comprises of app makes easier to conduct blood donation events. This is to create some awareness in the society about donating the blood. Yeah, these are all the some key features we have included in our project. Firstly, people can get donations directly from the donors, and we are also provided an option called the chat room to discuss to know the donors. And not only that, the customers can easily know about the events and camps that are going around the clock. Yeah, not only that, can know the health benefits as well as about the deferrals. Yeah. Lastly, user can save the date of donation of the blood, which further vanishes his name for the list for the next 3 months. These are all the key features that we have included in our project. Yeah, this is the process flow diagram. The first stage includes when user registers in the application, the user gets the message if his blood group is matched with the patient needed or not. Yeah, the third stage is whenever the user checks whether he or she has any difference to donate the blood. If there are no difference found out, then he is willing to donate the blood, and there is an option to save the date on which he can donate it. Yeah, this is the prototype of our application. The first one is the interface, and the second one is the registration page, and the third one is login page. And the first one comprises of all the options that we have included in this project. Yeah, this is the searching donor page. And the second one is what are all the benefits by donating the blood. We have included here. The third one is the text message that a customer can be received, and there is a match with the required blood CSV. And the fourth one is the date of donation, so that he can save the date on which he have donated the blood. So my teammate will show you the live demonstration of the application. Just a second.
Yeah, this is our app. Yeah, this is our app and this is the login page of our app. And if a new user comes and if he wants to log in or register in our app, he has to go to the registration page. And this is our registration page and this is the login page. As we are already an existing user, we will log in with this login page. This is the home page of our application and we have features like search donor, chat room, events, last donation, health benefits and donor deferral. And in search donor, if we open the search donor, we can search whatever the blood group we needed here. And in chat room, in chat room we can discuss about the requirements of the blood group. And events, if anyone is conducting events or camps related to blood donation, we can update here and everyone who is using the app can know about the events. And last donation, if a donor has donated blood, they has to save the date that they are donating, because their name will be vanished under the donor list for 3 months. And coming to the health benefits, we can also know how we can be benefited through donating blood. Donor deferral. If you are having any deferral, so you are not applicable to donate blood. Thank you.